What is up, YouTubers, YouTube video watchers, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, infants and toddlers, babies and newborns? This is your boy. What am I again? Oh yeah, I'm X Gamer X, baby. Yeah. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to get this right here, the PSP emulator, basically called PPSPP. This is an awesome emulator for anybody with Intel, any type of Intel, or if you have a graphics card or something like that. I don't have a graphics card, but I want to get one so bad. But anyways, this is an awesome, this is an awesome emulator. Like, I load a whole bunch of games. I'll play Family Guy, stuff like that. Don't recommend piracy, but you know, if you own a game, a copy of a game, I think is what they said. I'm not really sure on the piracy stuff because I don't know anything about that. But I just don't download a game if you don't own it and you don't own the license to it. That's the thing. But don't, you can get in trouble. I mean, obviously, it's illegal. But if you have a game that you own and you want to download a copy, I'll leave a link in the description for coolrom.com, which is a really good site to get PSP ROMs, and they come in an ISO form. So if you want to get an ISO, any type of ISO that you own and that you have a copy of, then you just go to the link in the description, and it'll make things just a lot easier if it's in the description. I gotta remember that. But anyways, okay, let's get into it. So I'll also leave a link in the description for PSPP or PPSPP, the PSP emulator, and I will leave a link for that. I mean, I have them on some of my other videos that I play, and I record gaming videos, and I'll leave a link for those videos too if you want to watch them. At the end of this video, if you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. If you subscribe, I'll try to check back. If you leave a comment down below, I'll try to comment back and just tell you how much it means to me, because I'm trying to build up my YouTube subscribers. Anyways, let's get on to it. So what you want to do is you want to go to you basically, and I'll show you how to install it too. You want to go to this website called ppspp.org. And so if you have if you want to download the installer instead of a zip file, if you don't have WinRAR, you don't have to install the zip, but if you want to install 1.5 or 1.5.4 installer, you can download that. It looks like I downloaded it. So you hit run or save if you want to save it. And then if you're on this, it'll run a security scan. I don't know why it does that, and it really doesn't matter. If it says they can't identify the provider, then and if you don't feel like if it's safe, don't do it. But if with some files will do that. But if they have something like that, and it's safe, and you've seen other people do it, and it's nothing bad about it, just click run anyway if it does that. But anyways, yeah, so if you want to check out my gaming videos, I also have some gaming of Black Ops 3 on my channel. I can leave a link for my channel too if you want. Obviously, if you click on my thing, you'll go to my channel anyways. If you subscribe, I don't know if they have a bell notification for every subscriber. I don't know. But yeah, if it has a bell, click the bell icon, and please comment and like the video. What is going on with this? Why is it running so long? Okay, let me go to view downloads. See if that'll help it out. See what's going on here. See, like this, it says the publisher of this program can't be verified. That was Social Club. This right here. So I'm just going to cancel this because I have it right here. This was the public. Oh yeah, this is the PSP one. So if the publisher can't be verified, everybody runs this. This is not a bad program. This is proven to work. Sometimes the publisher of this program can't be verified. It's because they can't find it. I don't understand that, but it's a good system. I will do a tutorial on how to download make a USB flash drive console, and this has multiple emulators like Nintendo Entertainment System, Super Nintendo, PC Emulator. It even has Doom installed on it, different games. It has Pong on one of them. It has there's a lot of games, and it even has a Game Boy Advance emulator. Let me go here, click on that. Come on, click up, hurry up. Okay, so just download that. And what you're going to want to do when you download it, this thing wants to download. My computer's going so slow right now. Man, my voice, man, I don't think I'm losing my voice. My voice is, I don't feel, there we go. There it is. Alrighty. So you see it says the publisher of PPSPP setup.exe couldn't be verified. Are you sure you want to run this program? Just click run and it'll come up. And I'm actually thinking about installing this to one of my hard drives or my USB, or actually my computer, because I have it on my computer already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click yes to that. And what I'm going to do is it's going to come over here, and I'm going to go to the setup. So what you want to do is you want to hit install. And so this is basically the installer. Go back to this installer. I had to exit that out. So what you want to do is you want to click. So it says the following applications are using files that need to be updated by setup. It is recommended that you allow setup to automatically close these applications. After the installation has completed setup, will attempt to restart application. So I have it open, and that is what it's telling me. So I will close that application, and then it will start installing. So it is, yeah, it's extracting the files, and it'll start installing here in just a second. Just give it a second to extract the files. And I will record some gameplay if you want on this. I think I have a game set up already. Extract it somewhere. I just got to find it. I will probably edit the video and add to it. So anyways, this is... Okay, so yeah. I don't need to view that because I've already installed it. There's really nothing you need to read. So this is the PSP emulator, the PPSPP V1.5.4 emulator. So what you want to do is you want to go to load. Wait, first you want to go to settings, my bad. You want to go to settings. And if you want OpenGL, or I think on mine, Direct 3D11 works really well, and so it's going to restart. And so what it's going to do now, it's going to restart its Direct 3D11. And so what I'm going to go to settings again. And what you want to check is that in frame skipping, I would turn it on, turn it to 3, because if you're on a low-end PC, you turn it to 3, it'll speed it up real fast, maybe a little crackling. So if you want to edit the audio a little bit, it may help. Auto frame skip, that'll work perfectly. So you want to go down. No, I don't want that. That is unlimited, alternative speed, unlimited. I'm going to check this. And I'm going to move it up to 100. Because it usually on the Dolphin Emulator it goes to 100, and when it's on 100, I'll move it to 102 just for the heck of it. And so what I'm going to do now is, if you want to check full screen, you can, but it's really hard to get out if your computer is slow. Display editor, what you want to do, if you check VSync, I mean, I don't recommend VSync. It messes up if you're on a low-end PC. Hardware transformers, software skinning. So what you want to go to now is, you want to probably check that. And lower resolution. I mean, if you don't mind lower resolution, you can check that, and it may help a lot. If you want to show this, I like to show this, and I like to show both. It's what I like to do. Show debug set. So that's pretty much it for the settings. If you go to audio, enable sound, global volume. Let's go to, no, I didn't click on that. I clicked on this. So if you're too loud, you can turn it down to maybe 8, and it should be fine. I mean, it's real loud if it's on there. Audio backend, auto would be good. If you want to do compatible or fast, I would say just leave it on auto. If it doesn't work, I'll go back and change it. Audio latency, I don't know what that is. Don't mind me. Sound speed hack, dead or alive, etc. So if you're wanting to speed up the sound, I guess that's what that is. And so if you have an Xbox 360 controller or something like that, so what you want to do is you want to, let me exit that out right now. Let me go to controller mapping is where you want to go. And so if you click on the D-pad, go click on the D-pad. And the D-pad is the plus little arrow keys. So you click up. So it automatically detects I have an Xbox 360 controller. D-pad down. D-pad left. And D-pad right. And circle would be B if you have an Xbox controller. X would be A. Square would be X. Triangle would be Y. Now start, you just press start. Select, you press select. And L, you press L, R. And so now we're going to go to analog up. Analog up. So the analog stick, which is your left stick, you'll go up. Analog down, you go down. Analog left, you go left. No, that's right. That's left. And then you want to go to analog right. You go to analog right, press the right. You just turn it to the right, or hit the right. Move the analog stick to the right. Analog limiter, I wouldn't say that. Rapid fire on throttle. Speed toggle, I would say speed toggle. If you want to have a speed toggle, I would mainly want to use maybe L1. So I'd press L1. And so if that's a speed toggle and you're just in a tutorial and you don't want them to have to sit through the movies and everything, that would be a good way to do that. Let me see, frame advance. I mean, I don't need that. But yeah, rewind. That would be a really cool thing. So rewind, I'm going to press R1. Audio and video recording. If you want to do that, you could press the home button. So I'm gonna hit that and press the home button. And so if you want to do that, sorry, it popped up. But anyways, you do that, they press the home button. And so save state. That you can just leave it alone because you have if you have go to auto save, it'll automatically save it. Now that's everything that you want to control with the controller. So you want to go back, and then you want to go to networking. Now, this is the beta, and it may break games, but if it breaks a game, just re-download it if it's an ISO that you own. Again, I don't recommend piracy. I mean, you know, and most people can't help it because they just want to play a game, you know. But I mean, this is not recommended. But you can enable Wi-Fi network. So if you want to play online on a game and it lets you, you can check that. Right now, I'm going to leave that unchecked. And so IP address, everything like that. Enable built pro Hawk server, whatever that is. That'd be pretty cool. I'm gonna use that. And then tools. So save data manager, save states. So that's basically something that you can do when you have save states. And if you press the start button in the game, you know, it'll go to it. You know, it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's some weird stuff. But anyways, system. Now system. Now fast lag on low storage. So host bugs less lag. So it looks like simulate. I'll try that because I've never tried that before. That's unstable. Force real clock. Let's see what that is. I don't want that on. If it's going to slow or less. Let's be slow or less. Well, if it's lagging, I'll probably get that. So that's fine. And so what is this? So check new versions for PSP. That is an update. So if you want to check that, if you ever get a new version, if you don't want a new version, you don't have to get it. Set UGI background. That would be pretty cool. So I'm gonna set the background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take loads, and I got a really cool picture that I want to do. So I'm going to go downloads. Stupid computer working on it. We're all working on it. But anyways, it's working on it. It's coming up. But yeah, see, I have my Xbox 360 controller. It is a USB controller. If you have Bluetooth, you want to connect. If you have Bluetooth and you want to connect an Xbox 360 or Xbox One controller or a Bluetooth Xbox 360 controller, PS4, PS3 controller, anything like that, or a Wii controller for the Dolphin Emulator, which I'll make a tutorial on how to download that and install it and everything like that. So, what is this doing? Set UGI background. Let me see. I'll just leave that for right now if it's not going to do anything. But anyways, let's go down. So it says, and if you want to restore, if you don't like your settings, you want to store default, you just press that. And auto load newest save state. That you can check. That would be a really good thing to check right there. What is going on? It's going slow. No, I was trying to get that. Well, let me see if it'll work now. Nah, it's not going to work. It's going slow. Okay, what I'm going to do now, that doesn't want to close. I'm closing you, motherfucker. Cancel, come on. Yeah, I closed you. what I do is I'm gonna take this. Take this out, plug this in real quick. Maybe that'll help. No, I don't want to set this back to default. Cancel. So I'm gonna exit that out. I'm gonna exit out of what? My computer is going slow right now. Maybe it's because I have a bunch of stuff open. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit. PSP model. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. You can do the model too. I'm gonna close these out real quick. Maybe that'll help with this connection. So, what's going on with this? That's pretty much everything you want to do there. So it's going slow. Cancel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is reopen it because my computer wanted to shut down on me. So where is it at? Oh, I know where it's at. Okay. It's on my USB drive. So now let me see if it saved my settings. Hopefully it saved my settings. Audio. I don't think it saved my settings. But anyways, those are the settings you want to get. If you want to enable cheats, if you want to cheat, I mean, I don't recommend it. I like playing the game full through. I mean, sometimes I'll use cheats, but if I don't know how to do it, or I'll watch a video on how to do it. Anyways, let's see. So, okay. So, those are the settings you want to do. So, save my path document, or save paths. Okay. So, record display. You can check that if you want to record the display. Record audio if you want to record audio. So where is that? Where was that at? Because I do want to check that. So that's everything you want to do. Anyways, so we're going to hit back. And we're going to load a game. I may have to find a game that I have to do, and I will leave a link in the description. See if this is still running. So yeah, still running. It's a pretty long thing right there. All right. So PSP. Did I save it to? Wait a second. Why aren't you responding? Did I save it to this? Game. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my downloads on my this. I have a whole bunch of games downloaded already. So I do own these. I don't recommend piracy. So I'm gonna go to. You guys want to see me play Grand Theft Auto? No. It's not the right one, but I can go to downloads and I can do Liberty City Stories. I don't know what that's doing. There we go. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to full screen this. Yo, what's going on here? Next it that out. Next it that out. There we go. Now, see, I have Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories. I actually want to see Mod Nation Racers. I have played that one on there. But what's really cool, I have a whole bunch of different emulators that I play too. All these different games that I play on there. Now, let's see. So, Mod Nation Racers. Where is my Family Guy? There we go. Actually, let's see here. See what the other ones are. Assassin's Creed Bloodline, that's a good one. I'll extract this to the game folder. Should be popping up here any second. There we go. Now what you do is you want to take this, if you have WinRAR, I will show you how to download games here after I extract this. So I'll try to download one of these games that I already have, or let's see, something that that I own. Thrillville Off the Rails. I'll download that one because I own that one. That one I actually have somewhere in my room. Anyways, let's go to Documents, PSP, and Game. So put it in the games. And so that's going to extract in there while we're extracting there. So I will put that in the link. And this is my channel right here. So like I said, I have Lego Star Wars 2 gameplay. I have Mod Nation Racers right there, Black Ops. I have a lot of different videos of different things. That was funny actually. Amazon Echo Dot funny jokes. Like I asked her a lot of stuff. It's really funny. And I show you how to do a French inhale with a vape. You'd also do it with cigarettes, but cigarettes, it'll hurt your nose kind of. And I don't know what this is. I don't even think that works. But okay, let's go here. So what you want to do, I'll leave a link in the description for this too. So you go COOLROM.com. And so if you're watching this video and you want to go ahead and download something, if you don't feel like clicking on a link and you want to do it yourself, you just copy from here to there, or you could put the dash in there if you want. It really doesn't matter. So it's loading. I'm gonna let it load. Recover web page. So I'm going to try this on Google Chrome. Let's go to Google Chrome and try this. It's just that my computer runs real slow right now. I got to clean it. I have a PC cleaner right here, and plus I have all these files. So the hard drive that I have, not installed on my computer, but I can use an external hard drive. It's 640 gigabytes. That's more than half of the. That's more than how much gig. I have a 500 gigabyte hard drive installed, and this is a 640 gigabyte external hard drive, which is this right here. It's got a 3.0 or 2.0. USB jack, no USB, so It's loading. Oh. Hey, look at there. It just goes all the way down. Look at that. Wow. Woohoo. Alright, let's go back to Google Chrome. Let's go here and go to Google Chrome. There we go. Google Chrome. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Now, so I think I have it saved. Let's go to my computer's running real slow. Oh, there we go. Let's go here. So where is it at? So cool ROMs. I'm just gonna look at. I'm just gonna type it in. coolrom.com. There we go. Cool ROM. It's loading. There we go. This is cool ROMs or coolrom.com. So this is basically, so I told you I was going to get Thrillville. So I will download Thrillville. So ROMs. So what you want to go to is PSP. Actually, what you can do, well, it has a ABC type thing that you can click on each, whatever game you're looking for that starts the starting letter. You want to click on one of these ABCs right here. See this ABCD, you know, and the numbers. If it starts with a number, you click the number. Click on T. There we go. It's a pretty good game. I love God of War. If I can find on how to get ISOs that are the videos for the PSP Emulator, I will try. If I find something like that and I learn how to do that, I will make a video on how to do that too. Like if you want to watch Family Guy, Stewie, you know, the Stewie one, or just some Family Guy movie, or anything like National Treasure, different things like that. Hurry up and load. Let me X that up. If it load, I'm just gonna exit that out and let this load. While that's loading, I'll go ahead and try to start a game. So here's this, Assassin's Creed Bloodlines. So if you want to double click or hit open, I'll double click. And it should start up. Start up here any second. There we go. It's starting. Mosquito. That got in here. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so I go to game settings. I'll go to frame skipping and I put it on 3. Weird. So that's what it's doing. I swear to God, if you do this on, I'm actually gonna try to put it back in OpenGL. Look, T. Oh shoot, I passed it. Thrillville off the rails. And so if you go here and you don't want to click on the download or add a queue that it has on the next page. What you're gonna want to do when it loads. But yeah, so that's basically how you do it on that. So I'll go ahead and exit this out. I mean, I'll show some gameplay when I have it up and fixed on my USB, because when it's on a USB, it loads a lot faster and it runs a lot better than having to be on a hard drive with a lot of space already taken up. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. Open link in a new tab. So, it is loading. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was a French inhale. I can do the O's is kind of hard. Okay, so look, you see the you don't want to click on this or this. You want to go down to alternative download link. And what you're going to want to do wait for the thing to download file. And so that will be downloading. That is 364 megabytes. Usually the lower the file size, the better the game's going to run. So I'm going to let that download, and that is it for today, guys.